So here I am. I'm gonna try to go up and see if I can find the drone. Talking about a needle in a haystack, buddy. Check it out. So it went down somewhere up in yonder. And I literally have no clue. None. That's pretty cool. Take it with me. Check this out. I'm walking through here. I find what looks to be a pocket watch. Wow. How cool is that? Are you serious? Not even metal detecting, y'all. It's crazy. It's definitely silver. That's crazy. I just walked by and looked down, there it was. But that's very cool. You can tell it's been laying for years and years and years. And it is definitely silver. So I'm out looking for my drone and I found an old pocket watch. That's maybe just as cool as finding my drone. I found something else that's really cool. Y'all gonna love this. A little bitty tarpon. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that killer? Yeah, look how little. He's about the size of that pocket watch, man. How cool is that? Nature, boy. So if you like turtles and let's let him down here. If you like turtles and spiders and rabbits and snakes, And bugs, deer, coyote, mosquitoes. Did I say snakes? Snakes. But I wouldn't have it any other way. I'd rather be in the woods than in the house. Listen to it. Fall's right around the corner. I'm just babbling on. He about the size of that pocket watch. Ain't that cool? Look at him. What time is it, Mr. Turtle? That's so awesome. There's another turtle. Let me turn the camera around. Now he's about the size of my drone. Beautiful. Look at him. Beautiful. Okay, I was just about to give up. And the only thing I had to go on, out of all this 100 and something acres, was a tree with a lot of mushrooms on it. That should be easy, right? No. There's only 1,000 of them in here, but you gotta look. So, here's one. Let me turn the camera around, hang on. Right there. So, I come over here, and I'm looking. Guess what I find? My freaking drone. Are you kidding me? It's crazy. I freaking found it. What is that? What is that? Is that a murder hornet? What is that? No, he's good, he's good. I can't believe it. Hey, know your woods, people. Know your surroundings. This is the second time I've lost my drone, and the second time I found it. I'm proud of myself. Most people would have gave up. But you know, you got $500-600 laying up here. And a pocket watch. A few ticks. You know. Spiders. I will show you the picture that I had to go on. Which, it was laying upside down, so I had to rotate the photo so I could see, but this is the only thing I could see. Let me turn it around. That's it. I'm gonna have to get a dip of Copenhagen for that one. That calls for a celebration. Found it. Found the pocket watch. Check it out. I don't think I was this happy when I first bought this thing. It's crazy. What's up, buddy? Check him out. He knows I've been in the woods. He's smelling me. What's up, buddy? Well, we took him up there, but he's just now getting over what his little incident he had. He's doing pretty good. What a day. Hope you enjoyed the video.